We need to
Jen, ha? Basta commitment is to pass the ordinance before
to pass or to file.
No, to pass.
Pass, not just file.
Not just file.
To pass.
An ordinance.
Yan ay Pasko ng pagkabuhay. Easter
Yes.
sa
No.
Councilor,
November.
po yesterday.
sabi na
On or before November 30.
Oh my gosh, meron on or before.
Yeah.
12 midnight.
We have to have a timeline.
lalabas yun. But of course, it will have to go through a process. You have to
Hindi,
understand.
yung yung ordinance na.
Ay, teka, may hearing yan. Public hearing ba yun?
Yung pong hearing na yon, mga gano'n po katagal?
Marami yung series yun. 1, 2, 3 yun. 3 years.
Pero pwede po tayong mag-set ng timeline. Mas maganda po.
Sana before the end of the year, pwede ba?
Please.
To ano?
Para at least kayo namin tutulungan. Tulungan na tayo.
Councilor, gusto niyo pa ng ginataan?
Coffee pa, coffee? Juice?
Wine.
I think wine will loosen the lips.
Sa birthday yata, parang maganda yun.
No, don't worry. Sige, I will keep on texting,
Actually,
Councilor.
about 2 weeks, the ordinance will come out. But of course, the process, when you bring it to the floor, then we schedule hearings already for that. May mga research pa yan eh. So, but it will go to the same process. Pero ilalabas natin. Basta ilalabas natin.
Siguro, Father Dax, ang kailangan din natin is because you're from Lugo,
Apo.
that each step of the process,
Apo.
that you are informed, you're aware, para rin, whatever support that is needed.
Kasi kailangan din po na magsasama-sama ito. Ang hirap din
Siyempre,
talaga.
sasamahan mo ng dasal yan.
Oo naman.
Pero pwede naman talagang madali.
Okay, so,
Wag lang dun sa madali, madadali naman kami. Ba yung madali, baka madali kami. Madali.
Kailangan kumpisal din. Kay Father.
parang nakakatakot. Parang ang dami mong meron Okay, kaya pala kayo nagkakain. So, for wine din po yan.
Si Mon na raw ang bahala.
Ay,